My name is Caleb Jenkins. I work for RLJ Financial Services. My dad started the firm about 32 years ago. I'm an EA there, enrolled agent, and I do primarily taxes and accounting services for our clients. I lead the accounting team and I work doing business planning and the client onboarding for our new business clients. The services that we offer our clients would be tax return preparation and accounting services, and those are the core, the foundation services. But then beyond that, we focus on advising our clients, so doing tax return planning for succession planning and also for business planning to determine what types of entities and what structure of their business should be structured, and if there's any ways that we can help them save on taxes and automate their accounting workflow and helping their businesses thrive. So for our clients, they don't see typical value in the compliance work of the past. They see value in helping them succeed. So actually just preparing the tax return or doing the payroll or making sure their books are correct, that has a value because the IRS or third parties require it, but they see value in helping them succeed. And that means looking at their information, helping them plan for the future, and looking at their numbers and explaining what they mean and helping them understand how to make their businesses thrive and go beyond just the numbers into the operations and actually doing consulting with them on various areas of their business that typically a traditional accountant would not get involved in.